What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry the lighting is short, but you're just gonna have to deal with it because I'm dealing with it. It's actually really cold and windy outside. We just had like a really bad storm yesterday, so the weather's kind of weird right now. I'm wearing my cute fluffy Sherpa ombre jacket that I got at Dry Goods, which was like only $16 on sale. They still have a lot there. I don't know about your local Dry Goods, but you should go check it out and see if they have any because they're amazing. So for today's video, I'm gonna be trying another Starbucks drink for you. I actually found a couple Starbucks drinks on TikTok, which I think a lot of people find Starbucks drinks on TikTok. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video because it doesn't have a specific name. So it's just a drink I found on TikTok. I guess I will tell you guys what it is. It is a pink drink with a scoop of vanilla bean powder and sweet cream foam. So I thought that would be really good. A pink drink or like a strawberry acai refresher is like my favorite go-to drink to get. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna see how this tastes. If it's disgusting, it's disgusting, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. I figured it'd be pretty fun to do, and then I'm gonna get my nails done today, so that's why I'm gonna film it now. But yeah, so if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Starbucks. Okay, I had to get gas, so that's why it took me forever to come back, but to you guys, it was literally a second. Someone's car is going off. But it is so cold outside. I was pumping gas and I was literally freezing. Like, I'm not okay at all. I'm also gonna get my normal drink just in case I don't like it. My bangs, I don't know what to do, guys. I feel like that spot is always spaced out like that. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, that car is so annoying.
I feel like you got this another time and like we were all so intrigued by it and like we made it and it was really good.
Really?
Yeah. It sounded amazing. Like,
I'm glad you guys like it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. She's my favorite. She's so sweet. Oh my god, the wind is so awful. It's like making my bangs go crazy. Now we're gonna park and try the drink. I'm kind of excited. So I'm gonna pretend the person's not there. And here we have the drink. It looks really pretty, honestly, and I'm actually like really excited about it. Before I drink it though, I'm gonna take a picture because I don't want the foam to go away when the picture is here because it's really pretty. Okay guys, so I'm back. I took the thumbnail. It's okay. Not super happy about it, but it's fine. So I'm gonna try it. I'm actually really excited. Like I said, this is a grande pink drink with a scoop of vanilla bean powder and sweet cream foam. I found it on TikTok, and I'm gonna give the girl credit on my TikTok because I do have TikTok also. If you don't follow me on TikTok. I'll link it down below. And I'm gonna tell people on TikTok about it too, so they know. Ooh, that's really good. It's hard to get to because of the foam. You know what it tastes like? A strawberry shortcake. That's 100% hands down what it tastes like. I totally recommend this drink. I'm sorry it's like really quiet while I'm drinking it. But it's actually like really good. I've tried a couple other drinks from TikToks and some were hit or miss. Some were hits, some were misses, but this one's like honestly like strawberry shortcake 100%. I'm down to like get it again. Like I honestly probably could or would get it again. It is a little hard to get to. My first sip was a little hard because of the foam, but the foam is so freaking good. I totally recommend this drink. I give it a 10 out of 10, had to recommend. Totally go get it. I think it's so freaking good. If you want like a good drink for a cute picture too, this is like aesthetically pleasing. I should have taken a picture like this first. It is so good. I totally recommend it, guys. Like, you don't understand. I'm gonna take a picture. It is so good. So I say run to your local Starbucks, get it, tell me what you think. I would love to know. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.